Staring at a blank screen to build a digital product from scratch is exhausting. You have to research, write, design, and format every single page before you can even think about making a sale. There is a legal shortcut that lets you skip the creation phase entirely: private label rights, or PLR products. These are ready-made digital assets sold with specific permissions for you to modify and resell as your own. Today, we will walk through a precise, step-by-step framework to safely modify and list PLR products. You will learn exactly how to navigate the licensing rules to avoid platform bans and copyright strikes. The barrier to entry is extremely low. All you need to execute this process is a computer, a basic design tool, and an idea for your digital storefront. Bypassing the product creation phase only works if you operate strictly within the rules. Mastering the legal compliance of PLR dictates whether you end up with a suspended store account or a reliable automated income stream. Step 1 is sourcing your assets. The digital marketplace is vast, so you must restrict your purchases to verified, reputable PLR providers with transparent licensing terms. Do not buy cheap bulk file bundles from random forums. These collections are notoriously filled with stolen or copyrighted materials that will flag your account the moment you upload them. The most common point of failure for beginners happens right at checkout: misreading the digital resale license. There are 3 distinct types of rights, and picking the wrong one limits what you can legally do. This chart compares the categories. PLR, private label rights, explicitly grants permission to fully edit and rebrand the file before selling. Conversely, master and standard resale rights strictly lock the file, forbidding you from altering text, updating design, or claiming ownership. Once you purchase a true PLR asset, immediately locate the text or PDF license document included in your download file to verify your exact permissions. Move that license document along with your purchase receipt into a dedicated, secure folder on your computer. Marketplaces like Etsy routinely run automated sweeps to verify product ownership. Having an organized folder of valid licenses gives you the exact proof you need to instantly resolve any takedown notice or ownership dispute. Now that your legal rights are secured, you reach the golden rule of PLR. You must heavily transform the visual and structural elements of the asset before listing it. If you upload the raw, unmodified files directly to a marketplace, the algorithm will quickly recognize the exact same file being sold by other vendors. This results in an immediate store ban for duplicate content. To safely list the product, you must open the file in your design software and change 3 non-negotiable elements: the title, the primary color and font scheme, and the core branding. Look at the left side of this mockup. This is a standard, unmodified PLR asset. It is a plain, grayscale daily planner. It functions perfectly, but it lacks identity, making it impossible to stand out in a search result. Now look at the right side. By applying those 3 mandatory design changes, that generic document becomes a vibrant manifestation mindset planner with a highly specific aesthetic. This visual overhaul ensures the final file format, pixel data, and text density are entirely distinct. This neutralizes the risk of an automated duplicate content strike from platform algorithms. Furthermore, tailoring the aesthetics to a specific audience rather than a general one allows you to charge a premium. Buyers pay more for a specialized product that aligns perfectly with their needs. Customization provides a robust legal shield against penalties, while acting as your primary strategy to outcompete other sellers in the digital space. As you prepare for launch, perform one final legal check. Read your specific PLR license and cross-reference its restrictions directly against your chosen storefront's terms of service. For instance, a provider's license may explicitly forbid you from distributing their content through Amazon KDP due to Amazon's strict exclusivity rules, but fully permit you to sell it through your own Shopify store. Next, draft a simple Terms of Use PDF to include in the final download package for your customers. This document must clearly state that your end buyer is purchasing the asset for personal use and does not have permission to resell it. To keep your operations legitimate, set up a basic spreadsheet right now to track your business metrics. This ledger demonstrates exactly what you need to track for tax compliance. You record the initial purchase cost of the PLR asset as a single expense, and then log the continuous incoming sales revenue to calculate your net profits. Implementing these tracking habits and usage policies separates a disorganized side project from a legally compliant, auditable business. You now hold a fully rebranded, legally compliant digital asset that is completely ready for the open market. By sourcing a licensed product and methodically customizing its core elements, you bypassed weeks of tedious product creation while maintaining total legal security. The final step is to take your finished file, upload it to your storefront, and set your listing live to begin generating sales. Check the trusted links provided in the description below to browse verified marketplaces and securely source your very first high-quality PLR product. Respect the licensing rules. Overhaul the design for your target niche, and you will turn ready-made digital assets into a reliable profit engine.